You know that feeling, right? You're staring at a totally blank screen, just wishing an amazing video idea would, poof, appear out of nowhere. Yeah, it can be pretty tough.
Well, hey everyone, and welcome to Akilibot. Today, we're going to look at a tool that kind of does just that. We're talking all about using ChatGPT to help you dream up fantastic YouTube scripts and super cool thumbnails. So here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about the big problem every creator faces. Then we'll meet our new AI helper. After that, we'll get right into writing scripts and making thumbnail ideas. And you're going to want to stick around because at the end, we've got the most important rule of all.
All right, let's dive right into section 1, the big problem.
I mean, that blank page can feel super scary. That little blinking cursor just sits there, kind of mocking you. Honestly, just getting started is often the hardest part of the entire thing.
But what if you didn't have to face that blank page all by yourself? Let's bring in your new AI helper.
And that helper is ChatGPT. The absolute simplest way to think about it is like having a super smart robot friend who's just really good at writing stuff. You ask it to help, and it does.
Now this is really important. Think of it as a team effort. The AI is awesome at giving you ideas and getting that first draft down. But you're the one with the main idea, and you're the one who adds your personality. That's the secret sauce. Okay, so that all sounds good, but how does it actually work? Let's get practical and talk about writing scripts. It's really just 3 easy steps. First, you get some title ideas. Second, you write the actual script. And third, you can even get it to write a description for your video. The whole shebang.
To start, you're going to give the AI a little command. We call it a prompt. You just type in something like, "Give me 10 YouTube titles for a video about," and then you fill in the blank with your idea. Simple as that.
Okay, so once you've picked a title that you really like, you move on to the next prompt. You just tell it, write a 2-minute script using this title, and you paste in your favorite one. And just like magic, you've got your first draft ready to go.
Now, a great script is one thing, but you need a great thumbnail you get people to even click on your video. Let's see how our AI helper can give us ideas for that too.
This is a super important heads up. ChatGPT gives you thumbnail ideas, not the final picture. It's more like your own personal creative director, giving you awesome concepts that you can then create.
And yup, you guessed it, there's a prompt for that. You can ask it to describe 3 thumbnail ideas for my video, and you can even ask it to suggest text and colors to really help you see the vision.
And look, here's an example of what it might spit out. It suggests the exact text, like "you are here," a picture idea, and it even tells you what kind of feeling it should create. In this case, motivation. How cool is that?
Okay, we've covered a ton of cool stuff, but this last section, this is by far the most important thing to remember. Let's talk about the golden rule.
And it's this: you are the boss of your video. Always remember that. The AI is just an assistant, a tool to help you get started. You're the creator. So take its ideas and then pour your personality all over them. Your jokes, your style, that's what makes your videos special.
So, if this little explainer helped you out, it would be awesome if you could hit that like button and subscribe to Akilibot for more simple guides just like this one.
Now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. Head down to the comments and tell me, which video idea should I make next? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.